Hey, the Basic Dad here. Today we're going to be making Christmas crack. That's what you call it. It's just a mixture of a couple of different kinds of Chex Mix. I use Honey Nut Cheerios. We'll throw some pretzels in, gluten-free. We'll put in some chocolate chips, some white chocolate chips that you can see there. I throw in some Reese Pieces, and you'll need a big bowl to mix it in, and then a double broiler, which is simply just a pot and a bowl that'll set in like that you can boil and melt the chocolate chips. So let's get started. Okay, all you want to do now is just kind of come in and mix it all in. You'll need a really big bowl, and I do just about kind of half and half. I really like doing these Honey Nut Chex. They give a little extra flavor into it. Mix that all in there. And then you don't need to, but I like to throw in a little Honey Nut Cheerios. Gives it a different kind of look. We'll throw in some gluten-free pretzels here. And then what I really think makes this dish kind of pop is some Reese Pieces. You could use M&Ms, you could use whatever you like, but the Reese Pieces really do a good job here. And then just kind of give that a quick kind of blend. I'm going to add another thing of Reese Pieces because you really just can't have too many of these. And next, we'll get the boiler going to melt the chocolate chips. I've got the boiler here. I've got the burner on low. You see I've got a little bit of water in there. The important thing when you do these is don't let the water boil. Turn it on low so you can melt those chocolate chips at a low temperature. Otherwise, you'll burn those chips and it won't mix as well. We've got the chips in. All I do is I just come around and they're already kind of starting to melt. I'll just kind of give them just a kind of stir, and they should start to melt here pretty soon. All right, all the chocolate has melted, so now we're going to take this over and pour it in our mixture. Okay. Now we're just going to pour all this goodness into the bowl here. Get it all out. Mix it all out of there. I'm sure there'll be some chocolate left in, you know, so for the little chocolate monsters in your family that can eat that. Okay. Once you've got that mixed in, just come and start stir it up. Be careful that you're not breaking the Chex Mix or crushing the Chex Mix. Give it all just a good stir. Get it mixed in. So we're going to stir this for a bit and we'll come back and take a look at it. Alright, we've got it all finished. It's all mixed together. Now, you'll see if you look up some other recipes, some folks will take this and spread it on a baking pan, put it in individual baggies, but I'm not going to dirty up another dish. I'm just going to leave it in this. We can put something over it to wrap it, and then you just take it as you go. This will probably last a day in my family. I've got 4 boys and a wife that will just devour this stuff. But this was super easy to make. Make it for yourself. This is Christmas crack. It's really addictive. Basic, simple ingredients. You just mix it together. The thing that takes the longest is melting the chocolate chips. And if you use the technique I showed you, that won't take long at all. So as always, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, give me some feedback. I want to thank all my subscribers and folks that have viewed and liked the videos and helping this channel grow. This is the Basic Dad here saying Merry Christmas.